Okay, guys, good morning. So, let's discuss something another important topic about life. So, especially boys would have thinking that if we have money, we can get the girl what we like, and also they might be thinking whoever is having government job, whoever is having more money, they are getting the girls as per their wish. And also, some might be thinking if you have money, you can get beautiful girls, and girls run behind you. Yeah, somewhere this is true. I won't deny this. When you have money, you can get as many as girls you want. Also, you can get your favorite girl. Everything is all right, guys, but have you ever thought there are some people who is having crores and crores of money and they are getting into divorce? Why that case is happening? What is the reason behind that? You would have thinking, right? Who is having money? 1,000 girls run behind them. But what about the people already having money and getting into divorce? You can take as many actor, actresses, and cricketers, YouTubers. They are having crores and crores of money. Still, why they getting into divorce? So let me make you understand something. It's not about money always, guys. It's when it comes to relationship, it's about the maintaining also. It's about not only how much amount you are having. It's about when you fail to maintain the relationship. It's more important to give everything in a relationship to maintain that for a longer time. When you fail in that, you're none of a single rupee will work out there. Even you have crores, it will not work out, guys. See, I'm not expert in relationship because I'm not success in that, but still I have some experience where I can share with you. It's more important in a relationship to give respect, to listen, and to be there emotionally and physically for the person. It's not about money always. Even you give 5 rupees, 10 rupees of rose or chocolates, she will be happy when you give other things. But when you fail giving other things, when you fail to give respect, when you fail to give basic behavior, when you disrespect and when you torture, when you raise your hand, then that case, even you having crores of money, none of your relationship will work out, guys. You have to work on other things as well rather than money. Let me give you a beautiful example. When you buy crores of Rolls Royce and keep in sight and you don't maintain anything, whatever you buy, giving crores and crores, what is the use of that, guys? How many days you can keep that as new as it is? You cannot, guys. For everything there should be maintenance. You have to work on that as well. This video is to remind you all, guys, while running behind money, do not forget to work on your relationship. That's my motive to make this video. And whoever is already pre-planned that I will divorce or do break up with this lady or this man, I cannot do anything for them. So whoever wanted to stay long, this is one tips, guys.